Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So we're answering another Facebook question today. Somebody has put a post in Facebook asking about locked features for basic members and how we can implement that on the contact details form. So let's have a look at this together on how you can lock some of your features for your basic members. And what this does is this will encourage your basic level members to upgrade to a higher level. So first, let's go to the admin area of the website. We're going to go to finance and membership plans. Now, this is just a demo site that we're using for this. We can see just when we look at this demo site that the lowest plan on here is membership plan 3. So we're going to have a look at the 4 members that are there. And then we're just going to log in just as the top one just here. So we'll log in as member. Then we're going to go to basic information. And we can see when we look at the profile contact details just here that the phone number, they've got the opportunity to put the phone number in, even if it won't be displayed on the front end of the site because we set the membership to not display. What we might want to do is just give them a prompt that they can display it on the front end of the website as part of their profile if they upgrade to unlock that feature. And we can see as well that they've got the website links available. So let's go in and unlock some of these features. Go to the admin, go to toolbox, form manager. So let me just find the contact details form using the search bar at the top right. And the one that we're wanting to clone is a contact details member. So we're going to customize it. By customizing it, we are creating a clone because the default one's there, but we're going to edit this form. Now, to do that, we need to rename the form. So I'm just putting a couple of letters in here, and I'm going to save that. And once that form is saved, it opens up the settings just in the right-hand corner here. So we can take them 2 letters out that we put in and save the form again. And the settings will stay there because we've already made a change to the form. So we're going to go in and edit the form. And what we're going to do is, to make it a bit easier, we're going to put in membership plan 3 because that is the basic level of membership plan on this website. Now, I always like to change the form system names as well whenever I'm editing a form. So what I'm going to do is just put _3. So I've just added that extension just onto there in developer settings. We're going to save that, and then we'll just refresh the form. So we've refreshed the form, and now we can start looking at how to lock some of these details. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the contact number. So we've got the contact phone number field just here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this cogwheel, and then we're going to scroll down here. And then what we're going to do is in the placeholder, I'm going to drop in an emoji padlock. And then I'm going to type in upgrade to unlock this feature. Okay, so I'm placing that in the placeholder text. In the additional field CSS class, I'm going to type in all one word, read only, lowercase. So all one word, read only. I'm going to save that. And then on the preview on the right-hand side, when the page loads, you will see that this feature has now appeared. So what we've done essentially is we have locked the phone number. We've made the field read only so that people aren't going to be able to type in there. And we've also said to them to unlock this feature, they need to upgrade. Now, something else you might do is add a link just where you would put the help text. And it's quite a handy thing to do. If you're not too sure how to add a link to text, I'm going to show you a cheat. Let's go to My Content Web Page Builder. We'll open it in a new window. Just open a web page. And then what to do is just type in what you want to see in terms of linking to an upgrade or upgrade this account now. So what we're going to do is we'll write in, click here to upgrade this account and unlock this feature. Okay, we'll correct the spelling just on that. So what we're going to do is we're going to link the click here. Now you might link it all, so you could link it all as well, but we're just going to link the click here, and we're going to open the link, insert a link, and we're going to put /account/upgrades. And what that's going to do is it's going to take them straight to the upgrade page. Now what you can do is, if you're dealing with just a couple of membership plans, you might do a direct link to the particular upgraded membership plan, as opposed to taking them to a selection of plans that they could choose. So there are a couple of options just with that. You might want to have the link open in a new window. So we're going to insert that link. So that's been inserted there. We're going to make this bold. I'm going to reduce the font slightly. I don't want it 15 pixels. I'm going to make it about 12. Okay, I'm then going to grab all that code. So you can just grab the code there. We're then going to go back to the form. We're going to find the phone number field again. And it's just here. We're going to open the cogwheel. And for the help text just here, we're going to paste that code. Now I'm just going to take the paragraphs brackets out of this. So I've pasted that code just in there. So we save that. And it's really important to remember to make sure that you don't set this as a required field, because they're not going to be able to complete that field, and that could cause issues with them submitting the form. So that's all saved. And then when we look at the preview, we can see that the text is there. And you might want to change the color of that. You might want to make it a bit more prominent. When we go back to our account, which is just here, and refresh, you'll see that that's not been applied to this account. We can't see them edits. And that's because we need to apply that contact form that we've created. Remember, we renamed it, and we need to apply it to the membership type. So to do that, what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to Finance, Membership Plans. We're going to go down to Membership Plan 3 and edit it. We're now going to go to the Member Dashboard. And then here, where it says Enable Contact Details section, we're going to select an alternative form. So we're going to select a custom one. And you can see it just here, Listing Contact Details, Membership Plan 3. So we're going to save that. And now when we go here and we refresh it, you will see that this section has been locked. And if we click here, it opens a new window and it takes us straight to the list of membership plans that are available. As I said, you can change that link and you can actually go straight to a particular plan if you want to choose the next plan, maybe in the level, or maybe you only have one free plan and one paid plan. So by cutting out this section here, you can take them then straight to upgrade that to that higher tier membership plan. So that's how you do it. And you're just repeating that process again for your basic users. I would repeat that down here as well. It's a really useful tool to prompt somebody upgrading their account from a basic account to a paid account. So it's a really good way to generate sales and get them upgrades. I hope you found that useful today, and thanks for watching.